the current is moving me. Help! The water is moving too fast.
Have you checked the weather forecast?
Yes, I checked it today. The weather is sunny and warm.
Perfect. I am packing the sandwiches, fruit, and cold water.
We have all the supplies. Let's load the car now.
Remember to bring the sun umbrella and the towels.
Everything is in the trunk. Let's leave early to avoid traffic. We are finally here. Let's find a good spot near the water.
This place is excellent. Let's set up the umbrella here.
The ocean looks beautiful today, but the waves are strong.
It is time for lunch. Everyone, please sit down.
I am very hungry.
Eat your food first. Then, you can play in the sand.
Wait, the current is moving me. Help! The water is moving too fast.
That is a whirlpool. It is extremely dangerous.
We have an emergency.
I am calling the rescue team right now.
Do not panic! Do not fight the whirlpool! Float on your back!
Look at the dog! He is going in!
Go get her, Max! Bring her back!
He is a very strong swimmer.
Hold on to the dog! Hold on to dog! Grab his collar! Grab his collar!
I have you.
He is pulling her out of the whirlpool.
They are coming back to the shore! We received the emergency call. Is everyone safe?
Yes. My daughter was caught in a whirlpool.
We saw the whirlpool from the watchtower. We were running to help. Who pulled her out? Our dog, Max. He swam into the deep water. That is unbelievable. Let me check her vital signs. Take deep breaths. Does your chest hurt?
No. I am just tired.
Her breathing is normal. She is perfectly fine. You are very lucky. The ocean is unpredictable. This dog did our job today. He is a professional lifesaver, a true hero. Thank you for coming so fast. We appreciate your help. That was a terrifying experience. But everyone is safe.
It is getting late. It is time to go back home. Before we leave, we must clean our area.
I have the garbage bag.
Pick up all the plastic and the leftover food.
We must protect the environment. Never leave trash on the beach.
Respect nature and keep the ocean clean.
Let's go home. What an unforgettable day.